I have taken the idli rice, or the Salem rice, they also call it like that. I have soaked it overnight. How much you take? I've taken about 4 cups here. So now we are going to grind this to a very fine paste. This is ground nicely now. The batter is a little thinner than the dosa batter. You can see. This is the vessel in which we make kadbu. I have filled water. I'm going to keep a plate like this. I have taken small glasses like this, tumblers. I have greased it with a little ghee. I'm going to pour this batter and then steam it. Let us do all the tumblers like that. I've kept all the tumblers in this. I'm going to close the lid and cook this for half an hour. I've closed the lid. I'm going to steam this for half an hour. This can also be done in idli stand as well. For the sweet, I have taken 1 cup grated coconut, fresh coconut, 1 cup jaggery, about 1 teaspoon of raw rice, a few almonds, and 1 teaspoon of khaskhas which I have roasted. Also 3 cardamom. All this I'm going to grind to a fine paste, adding water. I finished grinding now. You can see the consistency. It might look a little watery, but once it boils it becomes a little thick. You can adjust the taste of the jaggery if you want. You can add more now. We'll keep this for boiling. For the powder, I have taken 3/4 cup of roasted gram, 1 cup of jaggery, about half a cup of sesame which is roasted, and 1 teaspoon of khaskhas which is also roasted. The powder is done now. I'm going to take this out. It will be hot. We have to do it when it is hot only. Put it inside. Time to press it. You can see how nicely it has come. This is also boiled now. I'm going to switch off the stove now. It is done. For the khara shavge, I've taken 1 cup onions which I've finely cut, a few green chilies, this is according to taste, few curry leaves, a little bit of coriander, lemon, sesame, chana dal and urad dal. I'm going to heat about 2-3 spoons of oil. The oil is hot now. I'll add in the sesame, the chana dal, the urad dal. Fry it a bit until they turn golden. Now it is done. I'm going to add in the onion. The green chilies and the curry leaves. Fry till the onions are cooked. The onions are done now. I will add in a little bit of turmeric, the coriander. I'm going to squeeze lemon, juice of half a lemon. Add salt according to taste. Mix it all well. To this, I will add in the shavge. And mix it well. While mixing, it will become small pieces. So you can see how nicely it's becoming pieces. This is all mixed up and done now. Check for the salt and lemon. You can add more if you want. We'll see how to plate it. I've kept one shavige. I'm going to put this powder which we made on top of it. And then the sweet. The sweet vattu shavige is ready to eat.